With the starting prayer, just close your eyes and listen to the prayer. I am the I. I come forth from the void into life. I am the breath that nurtures life. I am the emptiness, that hollowness beyond all consciousness. The I, the it, the all. I draw my bow of rainbows across the waters. The continuum of minds with matters. I am the incoming and outgoing of the breath, the invisible, untouchable breeze, the undefinable atom of creation. I am the I. Today's topic is discussing about few of the Ho'oponopono tools and the inner child meditation. When you do the inner child meditation, you are connecting to the inner child, that is a subconscious mind. And during this process, the connection between the conscious mind and subconscious mind is getting stronger. The conscious mind is the mother aspect, subconscious is the child aspect. Conscious mind, the mother has two choices. Either you can take care of the child or ignore the child. As a mother, conscious mind and starts loving the child and start taking care of the child and start talking to the child, the relationship between the conscious and the subconscious. Here the conscious mind is the mother aspect, subconscious is the child. The relation between child and the mother will become stronger. The memories which are stored in the subconscious mind, that is the child, is also known as the memory bank, start helping us to release those memories which are replaying as blocks. In Ho'oponopono, it is clearly said that nothing out there, whatever you're experiencing, whatever you are experiencing, and whatever is happening, it is only the reflection of your subconscious memories. These subconscious memories are stored in the subconscious mind since many lifetimes, since thousands of years. As long as those memories are in the subconscious mind, you don't feel anything. Once they come to your conscious experience, the conscious mind, then they start showing up as the outside problems. So once you start communicating with the inner child meditation, then the inner child start helping you by releasing those memories which are stored in the inner child. Once those memories are released, cleansed, or transmuted, or erased, automatically the effect is the outside problems. It will be resolved automatically on its own. Instead of working outside to solve the problems and to solve the issues, to overcome the blocks, if you start looking into yourself, start asking what is going on in me that I'm experiencing this blocks. What is going on in me that I'm experiencing these difficulties? What is going on in me that I'm attracting this situation? There is something in you that is making you to attract the heavy situations, the disturbing thoughts, the heaviness in the form of health, relations, finances, business difficulties, difficulties related to the job or finding the partner or finding a business partner, the money blocks, blocks in attracting the good relationships. These are all just memories replaying. And those memories are accumulated and stored in the subconscious since many lifetimes. Once you start working on those memories, you will see that the outside things are changing without your direct intervention. The inner child meditation is one of the most powerful and wonderful cleaning process in Ho'oponopono. You can change anything, everything, whatever the situation you're going through, whatever the heaviness is there, whatever the disease is there, so called the incurable, only manageable diseases have been healed with Ho'oponopono. There is nothing which can be changed. There is nothing which cannot be changed with Ho'oponopono. Whatever the situation, whatever the difficulty, whatever the thought or emotion is there, you just work on yourself, talk to your inner child, ask the inner child what is going on in me that I'm experiencing this, and ask the forgiveness from the inner child. I am sorry for generating, accepting, and accumulating all the memories which are replaying as this. Please forgive me, and if you don't mind, please let go of everything going on in me. Please let go of all the accumulated memories stored in you that are replaying as
கரெக்டா இருக்கேன் பாருங்க. எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இது 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 ரெண்டு
You can ask the inner child, I am sorry for accumulating the memories which are replaying as this. I don't know what the memories are there. Even I don't want to know what the memories are there. It is just the memories. Please forgive me and help me to let go of the memories stored in you which are replaying as this. Thank you for helping me. Thank you. I love you. In this way, if you start doing once in the morning and once in the evening, if you start doing the inner child meditation, you see that the whole day you are connected to the inner child. Most of the time, you have been operating based on the physical brain ego, the logical mind, the conscious mind. Once you connect to the soul ego, to the inner child, subconscious, you see that miracles are happening in your life. You can change anything. You can let go of all the pain, all the suffering, disturbing thoughts, whatever you're going through. Each and everything can be healed, cleaned, and it will become easy for you to let go of the things. Shall we start with the inner child meditation? Ready?
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you. Just close your eyes, sit in a comfortable position, observe your breathing. No need to change the rhythm of the breathing. Sit as comfortable as possible by closing your eyes. Just observe your breathing. No need to do anything. No need to control the thoughts. Let the thoughts come and go. It is the nature of the mind to be busy with the thoughts. Say to the inner child, oh, for the first time in the creation, I am acknowledging your presence in me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. I love you. Express your love to the inner child wholeheartedly. This is one of the most important relationships, more important than any other physical relationships. Once you have good relationship with the inner child, all your relationships are going to improve. All your financial issues are going to resolve. All the health issues will be resolved. All the tough situations will get resolved. It is only the data, the program, the subconscious memories stored in the inner child that is replaying as outside problems. Say to the inner child, I am sorry for not acknowledging you. Please forgive me. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry for neglecting you. Please forgive me. Whatever the child is going through, the same thing will be reflected in your life. So say to the child, I am sorry for all the accumulated memories stored in you, which are causing you the pain, the sorrow, the suffering. It is just the memories causing you all the pain. I am sorry for generating, accepting, and accumulating all the memories. Please forgive me. And if you don't mind, please let go of the memories stored in you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. I love you. Talk to the inner child as a mother is talking to a newborn child. You must have seen mother talking to the newborn child. Even though child is not able to understand the words, still the mother is keep on talking to the child, the newborn child. Mother is expressing her love wholeheartedly. It's a pure love. The mother is expressing to the newborn child. In that way, you talk to the inner child. Express your love, the unconditional love the concern. Now ask the permission of the child. Please allow me to gently stroke your head with love and concern. Please allow me. You just see that you're gently stroking the head of the child with your hand with love and concern. No need to imagine anything. You just see that with your hand you are stroking the head of this inner child and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. I am sorry for all the memories stored in you. Which are causing the pain. Please forgive me. And if you don't mind, please let go of the memories stored in you. Which are causing you this pain. Thank you for helping me. Thank you for being part of me. I love you. Express your love in your own way to the inner child. See that the child is able to feel the unconditional love you are expressing. Now ask the permission of the child to stroke its hand. Please allow me to gently stroke your hand with love and affection. Show me whichever the hand you want to give. You just say that whichever the hand is giving the inner child, you just stroke that hand with unconditional love by saying, thank you, I love you. Now ask the permission of the child to stroke the another hand. Please allow me to gently stroke the other hand with love and affection. Now you just see that you are stroking the hand of the child and express your love and gratitude. Thank you for being with me. Thank you. I love you. And say to the child, please allow me to gently hug you with unconditional love and concern. Please allow me to gently hug you with unconditional love and concern. Now see that you are gently hug the child with love and concern and say to the child, I am sorry for not taking good care of you. Please forgive me. I am sorry for all the accumulated memories, space beings, entities, earthbound souls, family members' deeds, their thoughts, relatives' deeds, their thoughts, ancestors, their deeds and thoughts, and all the negative energies stored in you, which are replaying as present issues. Please forgive me, and if you don't mind, please let go of all the accumulated memories, space beings, entities, earthbound souls, family members' deeds, their thoughts, relatives' deeds, their thoughts, ancestors, their deeds and thoughts, and all the negative energies stored in you, which are replaying as my present issues. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being part of me. Thank you. I love you. Before closing the meditation, we'll do the half breathing. While doing the half breathing, if you are sitting on a chair, you need to keep both the feet on the ground so that you are connected to the Mother Earth and keeping your spine straight and making Chin Mudra with both the hands. Here, thumb is the divine. You can see in the video that thumb is the divine, forefinger is you, and you are joining with the divine. The forefinger is joining with the thumb. And remaining three fingers you're keeping straight like this. This is the Chin Mudra. Like this, with both the hands, you are making Mudra and keeping both the hands on the thighs or the knees by facing palms downwards and closing your eyes. You are inhaling for the count of 7, holding the breath for the count of 7, and exhaling for the count of 7, again holding for the count of 7. This is one round of half breathing. Like this, we'll be doing 7 rounds. I'll be playing the audio. You just follow this audio. Now we are going to do half breathing. If you are sitting on a chair, keep both the feet on the ground. Make Chin Mudra with both the hands and keep both hands on your thighs. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Exhale
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you.